What I find when people are building AI agents, especially in n8n, when they stop working, it's usually because they become way too complex. Before I get into the RAG database and the call injection that I just showed you with VAPI in sending in information in from the API, and I'll show you more about that when I actually book a call through the agent, I did want to talk briefly about why I use 3 separate agents, one for creating the lead, one for gathering the information related to their goals, and then another one to actually answer product questions. And the main reason behind that is because the more simple you make your agents, especially in n8n, the better they work. There's quite a bit of complexity in these 3 different agents. And if I spread out what their goal is into 3 different agents, each agent just performs a lot better. What I find when people are building AI agents, especially in n8n, when they stop working, it's usually because they become way too complex. And so by having a short system prompt that doesn't get too long and doesn't have too many edge cases and just has very simple instructions and often gives a bunch of different examples of how to actually interact with the person, I find that gives a much better performance for the agent, and they get less confused and they make fewer mistakes.